If you use Gmail on a Mac, do this right now. It lets you access all your Gmail emails directly inside Apple Mail. First, open the Mail app on your Mac. I am using a MacBook Pro M4 running macOS Tahoe. In the menu bar, click Mail, then choose Add Account. Next, click on Choose from a list. From the list of email providers, select Google, and then click Open Browser. At this point, Apple Mail uses your web browser to sign in to Gmail. Make sure cookies are enabled in your browser, or the Gmail sign-in may fail. If you are using Safari, click Safari in the menu bar, choose Settings. Open the Advanced tab and make sure Block All Cookies is unchecked. Then close the window. Now enter your Gmail email address, click Next, and enter your password. If you have two-step verification enabled on your Google account, Google may ask you to confirm your identity by typing your phone number into the browser or open the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad and tap Yes, it's me. After signing in, click Continue. In the following step, click Continue. Then select the apps you want to use with your Google account. I'll select Mail and Calendars, or you can select Mail only and click Done. As soon as you click Done, Apple Mail will begin downloading your Gmail emails. From now on, you can read, send, and manage Gmail emails directly inside Apple Mail on macOS Tahoe without signing into Gmail in a browser each time you want to check your emails. If you are looking for free Mac apps to secure and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.